Good morning. Today we are starting our day with conditions that are quiet, which is great, but it is a little chilly out there this morning. You'll want to make sure you're ready for it as you're getting ready to head out the door on this Friday. So things are looking pretty good. We've got some clearing skies, if not clear already in spots, and just conditions that are generally on the more settled side. Yesterday, of course, we had those snow showers that just wouldn't go away, and today we're looking at much quieter conditions and sunshine on the way too. That plus the south wind will help to warm us up. We're looking at temperatures right now that are well below freezing. We're at 16 degrees in Fargo. It's 12 in Grand Forks, and at 10 right now in Fosston. That's our cold spot. Over to the west, that's where we're looking at some warmer numbers. Still cold, but better than the 10 that we have over to the east. We're at 22 in Devil's Lake and 20 in Jamestown. That wind is south or southwesterly, and you could see that it's about 5 to 15 miles per hour, not too strong. We need it to pick up a little bit more to start bringing in that warmer air. We're starting to see it out west. But with the wind comes, of course, the wind chill, and at these temperatures, it is impactful. So we're looking at some wind chills that are near 0, and some of us below that. We're at 3 below in Fosston, 1 below in Grand Forks, and it feels like 5 in Fargo. So a cold start again to your Friday morning. I mentioned some of us have cleared out eastern North Dakota, especially northwest Minnesota. Still have some clouds hanging around into a good portion of the northern part of Minnesota with some pockets of clearing. That's going to sweep through, and once that clears, we're looking at some more clear skies, and eventually once that sun is up, some sunny skies for us today. Our hour-by-hour planner expect to have, again, some pretty nice weather. We're looking at some sunshine. The wind kicks in, our temperatures start to rise, and we'll already be above freezing in several locations by lunchtime. Heading into the afternoon, we'll see those temperatures rise into that freezing range up in the northeast to the upper 30s in the south and toward the west. And we'll see a high of about 38 degrees in Fargo, 35 in Grand Forks. The thing that we'll have to put up with is the wind. It's the thing that's actually warming us up, but at the same time, it is also, of course, blowing around with temperatures that are not that warm, really, in the grand scheme of things. So it does feel a little colder when that blows, and we'll see wind speeds getting into the 20s to even some 30s. So for today, that'll be the one issue here. We're looking at temperatures, though, staying higher as we head into the nighttime hours tonight. Even with that sunset, we'll stay into the upper 20s to about 30 degrees into tomorrow morning. So your Saturday morning starting off a lot more comfortably than this morning. Heading into tomorrow, during the day, especially the morning hours, we'll still have some sunshine. Afternoon, we see the clouds kind of fill in a little bit more. We'll still have some areas of sun, but not as bright and blue sky across the region like we'll see today. And temperatures will be on the rise. We're looking at some low 30s to some low 40s again for tomorrow. And still breezy, but not as intense as what we're dealing with today. So all in all, looking like a pretty good Saturday, especially for late November standards. Now heading into Saturday night, staying mild. So here's a pretty shot from our recent snowfall. This is in the Warren area. Thanks, Mary, for sharing that. And in your 7-day planner, we've got temperatures that are going to be mild the next several days, upper 30s to some low 40s. Both days this weekend look good. For Monday, that's when we see our next chance for some precipitation move through. Should be pretty light Monday night and into Tuesday. Right now, Wednesday, looks like we're going to miss out on a storm system that will impact other parts of the Midwest. But for Thursday, for Turkey Day, we're looking at a chance for some snow developing. So that's the next one to watch too. So a couple of systems right now impacting that may impact your holiday travel next week.
Okay, lots to just keep an eye out for.
Exactly.
Thank you, Lisa. As the weather gets colder, ice fishing season gets closer.
We have the details on a one-stop shop for all your ice fishing needs coming up next on The Valley Today.